Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain Unit 2 Mathematics Year 7 problems from Excel book. Okay, we'll look at the problems one by one. So let's see what question 1 is. So question 1 is, what is the number 7 times greater than the answer to this operation? So we have to do this calculation like this and this, and we have to times it by 7. As per BODMAS, we should multiply first. So 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30, take away whatever we get from 18, take away 7, 18 take away 7 is 11. So it's 28 plus 2 minus 11. Let me write that again. So it's 28 plus 2 negative 11. So that's 30 negative 11, which is 19. And then they said times 7 to whatever you get. So if I do 19 times 7, 19 times 7 is, then do times 7, so 19 times 7 is 133. Okay, if you know 19 table, it's 133, or you can do column multiplication. Then in question 2, write one number for 400 plus 9 units and 37 hundreds and 7 thousands. So 400 is like $400, 9 units is like 9 ones, so that's 409. Then you have 37 hundreds, so tens and hundreds together, 3 tens and 7 hundreds, so 37 hundreds, and then 7 at thousands place, so we're talking about a decimal number. Now 3a, list the first 5 multiples of 8. So multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Okay, they are just times tables. Multiples means count by that number. Now in part B, list the first 5 multiples of 12. First 5 multiples of 12, so 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. And then they said what are the common multiples. We can see that 24 is the only common multiple, like it is common in both, in multiples of 8 and multiples of 12. So common multiple is 24. Which of these is the lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple is 24. Okay, because there is no other multiple, so that has to be the least one also. Let's move on to question 4, 3.152, a fraction form, which is 315 or out of 100, because it's 0.15, that means it's 100th, and we can rewrite it as 3 wholes 15 hundredths. We could simplify 15 and 10 by 5, say, so divide 5 is 3 and 100 divide 5 is 20. Okay, so it's a fraction form, decimal to fraction form. This 100 is because there were 2 decimal places, 1 and 5, so we just put as many zeros as there are decimal places in the number. All good. Then question 5, show where 3.2 and 5.7 fall. So 3.2 should be close by 3, little more than 3, so say you can mark it here roughly. If I just do 10 divisions of the number, 5.7 should be close to 6, so this must be B. Okay, question 6, subtract this from 10.1, that means 10.100, take away 3.872, like that. so you can just borrow and subtract. Okay, divide this by 7, so this you can do short division or long division. This I'm leaving on you. You can do long division for this or short division. Just add a point when you use digit 4. What is the sum of 3 wholes 1/5 and 2.5? For this you can just do 3 plus 2, which is 5, and then add the proper fractions separately, 1/5 and 1/2. Okay, this one is on you again. Let me know if you need help. What sum of money is 15% of 86? Let me just rub a bit of this. Okay, yeah. Question 9. What sum of money is 15%? So 15% means 15 out of 100%, means out of 100. Times of means times 86 over 1. So you can multiply 15 and 86 and then do dots. For question 10, it's simplify the ratio. 4 is to 24. You just need to divide by their HCF, common factor. 4 is the HCF. If I just divide 4 by 4, I'll get 1. 24 divided 4 is 6. So that's 1:6. That's my answer, 1:6. Question 11. I have 4 boxes or books. Okay, each holding X books. So you can imagine that there are 4 boxes of books, and each box is X books. If I take out 3 books, so that's -3 from each. How many have I now? Choose the correct algebraic expression to represent this. So there should be x minus 3, but it should be 4 times. Okay. Well, I think I take out 3 books only. One second. It's just 3 books. It's not 3 books from each. So my bad. It's just 4 boxes and X books in each, and so that means there are total 4x books, and I took away 3. So that should be this one. Okay, all good. Then question 12. Let me just clear the screen. Yeah. So now question 12 is question 12 is just substitution. I'm leaving on you. All good. Let me know if you need help with 12. It's just substitution method. Okay. Next we are discussing question 14. Mark the position 3, 4. So the first value corresponds to the horizontal line, which is 3, and it's 4 here. So basically it's this number 3, 4. Okay, that's my x. This point is x. Do a point instead of letter. You should do letter next to the point. That's how we plot points on a graph. Moving on to question 15 now. Use AM or PM to write 9 past 11 in the morning. Morning means AM, and it's 9 past 11. That means 9 minutes past 11. So 11:09 AM. Okay, then question 16. How many 30 centimeters lengths of lace can be cut from 5-meter roll? So 5-meter roll is big, right? Discard the leftover. Whenever I'm dividing or doing any operation, plus, minus, multiply, I should have the same unit. Here it's meters, here it's centimeters. Doesn't make sense. So I'll do first 5 meters to, I'll convert it to 500 centimeters. And then cutting means dividing, like I have to do parts of it. So you can just do 500 divided by centimeters, 500 centimeters divided by 30 centimeters. They said just discard the leftover. If you can divide by 10, so 0 will cancel with 0. In division you can always do that. Then it's 50 divided 3. And you can just think of it mentally or do long division. It will be 16 something. Okay, so 16 remainder 2. So I can do 16 pieces. So the answer for 16 is 16. Okay, then 17. This is the conversion formula. I'm just cleaning the screen. Here I need to convert 2.3 square meters to square centimeters and square millimeters. So whenever you are converting square meters to square centimeters, you must times by 10,000. And if you are converting it the square meters to square millimeters, you should times by 1 million. Get it? So I just need to move the point 4 places to the right side. So which is 2, then 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and for this I need to move the point in 2.3 6 places to the right. 2, 3, then 0, 0, that's 3 places, and 3 more zeros, that's 6 places. So that much square meters go in square, that much square millimeters go in square meters. Okay, good. Then 18. So they're saying here is a cubic block. So this is the block of concrete. One edge is 182. They're saying use calculator. Okay, to find the volume. So volume of a cube, each side has to be 182, for it is a cube. And to do the volume, you just do 182 centimeters times 182 centimeters times 182 centimeters. Just use your calculator, do 182 times 182 times 182, you'll get your answer. And they also said to give this volume in cubic meters, so you can instead do 1.82. okay, so 1.82 times 1.82, that will help. So let me just do it in meters, because 182 centimeters is 1.82 meters. So just convert and then multiply, you will get your answer in cubic meters. Okay, then in question 19, DGCF like this. One second, I need to start writing again. DGCF, this face, okay, is perpendicular or parallel to the surface of CABD. Well, they should have written it in alpha. Okay, anyways, so they are perpendicular. Perpendicular means standing on each other by making a perfect L or making an angle 90 degrees. So both the faces are attached to each other at 90 degrees, because this is a rectangular prism. So the answer is perpendicular. Perpendicular means making 90-degree angle with the surfaces. Now angle A and angle B are complementary angles. Complementary means if I'll plus both the angles, like angle A and angle B, I should get 90 degrees. Okay, so if angle A is 37, less than a right angle, then B must be equal to. So to find A, I should do 90 minus 37. First let's find A, which is 90 minus 37 degrees. So if you'll just do 90 minus 37, you'll get 53 degrees. So that means, see, it's like this. This much is 53 degrees and the other one is 37 degrees. So they are complementary angles. Okay, moving on to question 21, statistics and probability. A bag contains 6 balls and 4 of the balls are red. 4 balls are red and there is an equal number of blue and green balls. So if 4 are red and there are 6 of them, so it should be 4 1 1. Yeah, a ball is chosen at random. What is the probability that it's blue? So there should be one blue ball only, so it's 1 out of 6, 1/6 or 1 out of 6. Get it? Then one last question in the test is, here are 5 scores and you need to find the median. The most important rule, when you find the median, you order the numbers. So 9, 10, 17, 18 and 22. Then you got to pick the middle number. Median is the middle number. That means it's halfway. So the answer is 17. So I hope this explanation helped. In case you have any doubt, make sure you ask me. After finishing all the questions, make sure you cross check from the answer page as well. That's very important. Okay, thank you so much.